The clock blinked 8 a.m. A half-eaten bagel sat on the table. Empty coffee cups littered the desks. Welcome to the Monday morning huddle at Cloud Ninjas Inc.
All right, team, big day. We've got 10 Azure tickets to tackle.
10? Is that all? I was hoping for at least 20 to keep things interesting.
Don't worry, Alex. I have a feeling these 10 will be more than enough to keep us on our toes.
He winked, his eyes twinkling. The team huddled closer, the smell of stale coffee and anticipation hanging in the air.
First up, storage encryption. Client data security is paramount, people. We can't stress enough how crucial it is to keep our clients' data safe from prying eyes. Encryption is our first line of defense.
Azure Disk Encryption, here we come. Just a few lines of code and we'll have those disks locked down tighter than Fort Knox. It's amazing how a bit of coding can transform our security posture.
Next, a cost alert flashed red on the screen. This is a reminder that while security is vital, we also need to keep an eye on our expenses.
Whoa, looks like someone left a virtual machine running over the weekend. This can really add up if we're not careful.
With a few clicks, Alex optimized the VM usage. It's all about efficiency and making sure we're not wasting resources.
Remember, team, every penny saved is a penny earned, or something like that. Budgeting is just as important as securing our data.
Let's face it, passwords are so last decade. Time to add an extra layer of security. Multi-factor authentication is the way forward.
Alex, the MFA master, breezed through the setup. It's quick, it's easy, and it makes a world of difference.
And with that, our Azure environment is now as secure as a bank vault guarded by 1,000 ninjas. We can all sleep a little easier knowing our data is safe.
Suddenly, the office phone blared. It was a frantic client reporting a connectivity issue with their Azure SQL database. The urgency in their voice was palpable, and the team knew they had to act fast.
Don't panic, team. We've got this. Remember our training and stay focused.
Alex sprang into action, his fingers flying across the keyboard. He quickly accessed the database logs and began analyzing the issue.
Let's check the connection string, firewall settings, and network configurations. We need to rule out any potential causes systematically.
Sarah, a master of client communication, kept the client informed every step of the way. Her calm demeanor reassured the client that they were in good hands.
We're working on it, and we'll have you back up and running in no time. Your patience is appreciated.
After a tense few minutes, Alex identified the culprit, a misconfigured network security group rule. He knew exactly what needed to be done.
Gotcha! This is it!
He exclaimed, fixing the rule with a few deft keystrokes. The solution was implemented swiftly and efficiently. Connectivity restored. The team breathed a collective sigh of relief. Their quick thinking and teamwork had averted a major crisis. Section 4, the arm race automating for efficiency. With the crisis averted, Sarah steered the team back on track.
Next up, automation.
ARM templates, my old friend. Time to automate resource deployment and save ourselves a ton of manual work.
Using Azure Resource Manager templates, Alex swiftly defined the infrastructure as code.
With this, we can deploy entire environments with a single click.
Michael smiled approvingly.
Efficiency and consistency, the cornerstones of a well-oiled cloud operation.
Section 5, API Adventures Navigating the Open Frontier. Just as things seemed to be running smoothly, a new challenge emerged.
We've got a report of exposed APIs.
Exposed APIs? That's not good. We need to secure those endpoints immediately.
Alex jumped into action, examining API logs and access controls.
Looks like we need to implement API management and tighten up authentication protocols.
With meticulous precision, Alex secured the exposed APIs, ensuring that only authorized users could access sensitive data.
Remember, team, security is not an afterthought. It's an ongoing process that requires constant vigilance.
Section 6. Inspiring the next generation. A spark of innovation. This section delves into how a single spark of inspiration can ignite a lifelong passion for technology and innovation. Later that day, a group of wide-eyed students visited Cloud Ninjas Inc. for a behind-the-scenes look at the world of cloud computing. The visit was designed to give them a glimpse into the future of technology and the endless possibilities it holds.
Who here wants to be a cloud ninja? The question hung in the air, filled with promise and excitement.
The room buzzed with excitement as the students raised their hands. Each hand represented a dream, a future innovator ready to take on the challenges of tomorrow. Alex, usually quiet and reserved, surprised everyone by sharing his passion for technology. His words resonated deeply, showing that even the most reserved individuals can have the brightest ideas.
The cloud is the future. It's a place where you can build anything you can imagine. From innovative apps to groundbreaking solutions, the sky's the limit.
Michael, always the visionary, spoke about the power of technology to solve real-world problems. His passion was infectious, inspiring everyone in the room to think bigger and aim higher.
The possibilities are limitless. Go out there and make a difference. These words echoed in the minds of the students, planting seeds of ambition and determination.
The visit ended with a resounding round of applause, the students leaving with stars in their eyes and a newfound passion for technology. They walked away not just with knowledge, but with a vision for their future, ready to become the innovators of tomorrow. Section 7, Azure Challenge, Test Your Cloud Prowess. And so, the day drew to a close at Cloud Ninjas Inc. The team had faced challenges, solved problems, and inspired the next generation of tech professionals. Now it's your turn.
Azure Challenge 1. How does Azure Disk Encryption help enhance data security in the cloud? 2. What are the benefits of using ARM templates for deploying Azure resources? 3. Why is it crucial to secure APIs in a cloud environment?
Think you know the answers? Test your Azure knowledge and stay tuned for more cloud adventures.